This is our Kazakhstan, the common home that we are building together. The free and independent Kazakhstan. 30 years ago, as the Soviet Union broke up.
During the same period of time, the capital city was moved from north-south to center of the country.
And thank you. I would like to just show it to our friends.
Megemlékezni a 30 éve független Kazahsztánról.
We had a very quick start. If you see this slide, that's the declaration of the independence. Is
to bring me to Astana to see the city under construction. And that time, if I remember well, only the bike track